In a vast landscape, rivers carve paths through mountains, valleys, and plains alike. Their journey isn't swift, but it's marked by unwavering persistence and purpose. Much like these rivers, our paths in life are filled with obstacles. Yet, the river's course is unyielding, finding ways around each impediment it meets. Even when met with resistance, the river teaches us to adapt and persevere. Its relentless flow carves new paths and shapes the land over time. In life, we face similar challenges, but persistence turns problems into milestones. Observing the river's flow, we see the beauty in resilience and flexibility. The river's winding journey is an embodiment of life's unpredictable twists and turns. It presses on despite the ever-changing environment, never losing sight of its destination. As the river deepens over time, so do our skills and wisdom through persistence. It teaches us that consistent effort leads to profound impacts. Rivers remind us that persistence is not about defiance, but about finding flow. Nature whispers that progress can be fluid and graceful, just like water. Through the river's journey, we learn to embrace changes and embrace our own paths. Like water, resilience is about evolving, never hardening. In every bend and curve, the river teaches us life's ultimate lesson. Persistence transforms journeys into inspiring stories. Its progress is a testament to nature's wisdom. By understanding the river's journey, we internalize persistence, learning to never give up. Our lives, like a river, are a testament to the power of enduring flow.